Do you want to generate AI images in Messenger? You can create an image on Messenger with Meta AI with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To generate AI images in Messenger using Meta AI. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Messenger, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type Meta AI. From the search results, open the Meta AI chat. Now, you are in the chat conversation screen. In the message typing box, type your image prompt to generate an AI photo, describing the picture you want to create. You can write your prompt like, generate an image of a cute cat wearing sunglasses. Once your prompt is ready, tap the send button. Meta AI will now process your request and generate the AI image based on your description. After a few seconds, the AI-generated image will appear in the chat. You can ask to further edit it if needed. To save the image, tap and hold on the image and select Save Image.